experiences what you have shared is almost corporate. We wanted to see the other side of you, the other side of you, which is helpful for you to make a bigger success in corporate. We wanted to have some kind of experience from your life which you feel has really helped you to become what you are, because our viewers are more interested in knowing that what are the similarities which you have with a common person, so that a common person can dream enough to become a person like you, or even bigger than you.
I have believed that as an individual, if you look at my upbringing, right, came from a very middle class family. And when I say that very middle class, I'm being polite to myself. We are not very well off. The accent always was on being happy, being ethical, right? And always doing right. For example, our parents taught us very early on that what's not yours is not yours. Right? So we got middle class values. And let me be honest, and much as anybody may say anything, or somebody who wants to please me may say anything, but मेरी असली औकात तो मुझे ही पता है, right? And I come from a very average, very middle class beginning. I'm a very average human being. If you look at my academics, I have never stood first in my class ever. Right? Never. But what I did have, because of this middle class education importance ingrained into me, is I have a first class education career throughout. And somehow when I look at talent, hidden in my brain is this guy a first class throughout? Because I'm looking for somebody like me. May not be right. Right? It's not that. So I'm always looking at somebody who's at least a first class throughout. Right? So now you may say this is an average rate. First class throughout is no big deal. People get 93 and 94. I have never stood first in my life. Right? But always a first class throughout. Right? I also believe that if something can be done by anyone, I can also do it. There's nothing, which one should be close to. So the two principles that have been deeply ingrained are can do.
Okay.
And anything is possible. Right? So our parents supported us. They invested in a lot of books. When we were school going or college going, you'd be surprised. We didn't have a cycle. We didn't have a motorcycle. Gaadi, ghoda, sab chhod dete. Right? But they invested in our education. We had the best books. I know of people whose parents were richer, but who would borrow books from the library और उनको 2-3 हफ्ते नहीं मिलता था तो वो फिर दुखी होते थे, हमारी बुक्स से कॉपी करते थे कि बताओ मैं लिख लेता. But our father, the moment he knew, the first thing he would do is same evening go and buy the book and tell us, brand new book. And one thing he told us, never buy second-hand books. I don't know the right or wrong of it, but he always insisted to buy a new book. Right? He felt that when you are opening a new book, it's fresh, it's open, and you are not inheriting somebody's bias. Right? At the same time, he was very careful that we must look after our books with a lot of respect. So these are the sort of values which we grew with. And these have a very strong influence on the way we are brought up. So a lot of what I speak, as we speak, I'm not reading I'm speaking extempore. I don't like to read a speech, or I don't like to prepare, because I do feel that the actual connect, the actual value, and the actual weight is when you speak heart to heart and connect eye to eye. That's very important. So I'll answer your question obliquely. This is one way I'm not being direct, but you see, leaders are people who can get average people to deliver extraordinary or above average results, or ordinary people to deliver extraordinary results. So that's what we have done. And we have made sure that we follow the practices and principles that we preach. I don't have one set of rules for myself and for the others, right? So if we are traveling on a tour abroad, I will not be in the Mercedes and the rest of the people in the coach. I will be in the coach. Those are the values that we have grown up with. Right or wrong, I won't debate. Since you asked, this is what life